Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open the Tombow VIP box for May of 2023. Oh, so cute. Okay, so the first thing is this super cute tote. That's so cute. Let's see, I'm getting the whole thing. Let me move back a little bit. This is too cute. I love the color, and I love the design, and I love the green. It's a good choice. So it was out there like real fast. I don't know if I was. Oh, okay. We have 4 packs of the Tombow Dual Brush Pens, and there are 6 in each of these packs, and we have the lemon squeezy. This is too cute. Love the illustration. And these are the colors included. You can double check if you have these colors already, so you can make like your own little palette if you don't want to buy this one with a super cute packaging. Then we have Just Peachy. Oh, I love these colors. These are so cute. Love these. These are pastels, but with a hint of citrusy. It's really cute. And then we have Yay Sorbet. Love these colors. Super cute illustration. And these are the colors. That's really cute. It's rainbow. You have, instead of red, you have pink, orange, yellow, then blue, green, purple. So it's a different kind of rainbow. Love these colors. They don't come with a blender, which if you buy any of the 10 packs, you have one already and you can use it with all the colors, or you can get one from the website, or you can use a water brush. You can use a paintbrush with just water. And then this one is Very Berry, which is kind of holiday-ish. I like this one more than I like the holiday colors, because the holiday colors were always a little bit too dark for me, to mute it, and I do enjoy really bright colors. Oh my god, this is so cute. I can't get over the little tote. So the tote is one of my favorite products. It's like hard to put it against the markers, but I love tote bags. If you have seen the Wee Bears Tote Life. From the packs, oh, this is hard. I really like lemon squeezy, but I'm gonna go with Yay Sorbet. I think that's my favorite color in this pack. I love the illustration, really simple, really cute. Great demonstration of the colors that you can use. These are so cute. So yeah, I think my favorite color is gonna be Yay Sorbet. And I feel like I have to swatch them, but I'm gonna do that in sort of a sped up way, so you don't have to swatch with me a really long time. So we'll do that now. So the very first set that we're gonna swatch is Very Berry, and I am using the fine tip to write the name of the set, and I am gonna do my swatches with the brush tips, and then I am gonna go back with the felt tip and write the number. And I stand by what I said before. I think this kit is so perfect for holidays. I always use pink in my holiday projects. I also like to use aqua, but I'm okay with aqua not being in this pack, because first of all, it's not Christmas, and second of all, I think that green is more important. But I love this way more than I thought I would. It's really pretty. The second kit, it was my favorite when I saw them before swatching, and it's still my favorite. It's so cute. It's Yay Sorbet, and I love the rainbow palette, that it's a little bit Easter, but not really. It's a little bit pastel, but it has a little bit of punch with that 993 and 743, and then the rest are pretty soft, and I like that contrast. It's really cute. And we also have half of our warm colors and then half cool. That green is one of my favorites in the whole color palette. Still my favorite after swatching. Now, I thought Lemon Squeezy was going to be my favorite, but once I swatched it, even though it's really cute and I love it, I wish that instead of having those teals and aqua or turquoise, we had other colors that were more lemony. I don't know, maybe a green that it's a little more grass. It's slightly darker than 133 that we just saw. I love that teal, that 379, but it's just that it doesn't scream lemon squeezy to me. I do love how Karen Cook did the illustrations. I think it's perfect to use it like as a little mantle. I think the gray wasn't necessary. It was probably that bumped that to the bottom of my list. And Just Peachy was honestly such a surprise. Once I swatched it, it was so cute, so pretty. I think the colors were perfect for this palette. The pinks all kind of lend to peachy, and that green is a good contrast. I like both of those colors because they're soft greens, kind of like, I want to say mint, but not really. And the 873 and this 803 were absolutely perfect choices. And I love this dusty rose too. So cute. The illustration is so cute. So after swatching, I still think the Yay Survey is like really up there in my list. I also think that this is a very good holiday color palette, but I also like how cute Just Peachy looks together. I think this combination is really cute. This is very tropical. I like it. I would have added an orange instead of maybe this, or even instead of the N89. So I'm gonna go Yay Sorbet is my number one, then Just Peachy, then Very Berry, and then Lemon Squeezy. And that is, I think, usually this box, I'm not sure, it's between 20, it's usually like $25 to $30. I'm gonna have the link below so you can get your own box, but I think it's a very good deal. And also, I'm pretty sure that they're not gonna have any more of these like they usually do with the VIP boxes, so I'll grab it just for the tote. But the colors are also really cute. Let me know which color palette, color set was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!